Hi there, I'm your digital son, and I know how frustrating it is when your computer starts feeling slow or cluttered. Today, I am going to show you the right way to delete programs that you don't use anymore. We aren't just going to drag icons to the trash like this, so we are going to actually uninstall them so they are gone for good. I'll be going nice and slow, so feel free to follow along. First, we are going to move our mouse down to the start button. This is the start button. It's the blue icon that looks like four little squares. Click it once. Now look for the gear icon that says settings. This is the gear icon that says settings. If you just don't see it, you can just type the word settings. I'll show it. Settings. Here you go. You have the settings into the search bar at the top. Now click it. Now we are in the settings menu, and on the left hand side here you'll see a list of options. Click on the one that says apps. Click it once. Once that opens, click the first very option at the top which says installed apps. This is the master list of everything living on your computer right now. So click it. So scroll through until you find a program you no longer need. When you find it, look to the far right. For example, I am going to delete the Audacity app here that I don't use anymore. When you find your app, look at the far right. You'll see three dots here. Click those dots once, or you can simply find the uninstall option here. Now you're going to click the uninstall. So Windows will ask you if you're sure. Go ahead and click uninstall again. So Windows is asking for me if it's going to uninstall the app. This is a window that might pop up in your PC too. Ask for permissions. Just click yes. So now you are seeing that the app which I was uninstalling, the Audacity, has been uninstalled from my PC. Let's select OK. Now to check it, I'm going back and again in installed apps. So now you can see I don't have the Audacity app here. So in this way, you can uninstall any program from your PC. So repeat that for any other programs you don't use, and you'll notice your computer feels a lot lighter. If this was helpful, please give this video a like so I know I am on the right track. I am your digital son, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.